There's an easy way to reduce that big belly size of yours. This is the Sassy Water. Hi friends, I am Ivy. Please subscribe to my channel. And please press the bell icon for regular update. And share it with your friends, maybe it will help him. Named after its inventor Cynthia Sass, who came up with it for the flat belly diet, this recipe transforms ordinary water into a wonder drink that can do wonders for your health. It contains almost no calories and can even help improve your digestion. Sassy water is a key element in the flat belly diet program. And there's a good reason for it. You see, while drinking 8 glasses of water might meet your body's requirement for hydration, there are a few things that you need to be concerned about: your body's fluid, electrolyte, balance and water retention. The 8 glasses of water a day is a generic rule. Your personal needs may vary based on your genetics and your physical activity. But don't get it wrong, 8 is a good number. Drinking Sassy water can help facilitate good digestion, and its ingredients are there just for the kicks, so to speak. Ginger, cucumber, lemon and spearmint can improve your well-being in more ways than you can imagine. The ingredients of Sassy water you needed: 2 liters water, about 8½ cup. 1 teaspoon freshly grated ginger. 1 med cucumber, peeled and thinly sliced. 1 med lemon, thinly sliced. 12 spearmint leaves. Or 1 teaspoon dry mint. How to prepare the drink: mix all the ingredients in a jar, and leave it in your fridge overnight. Next morning strain the water in another jar or container to enjoy. Drinking the preparation entire the day for maximum result. Thanks for watching me. If you think it helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel. And please stay tuned for more.